Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your OS version and backing up current taskbar settings so you can revert if needed. Once done, unlock the taskbar and choose whether to enable auto-hide or small icons for a cleaner base. Make sure to collect the app icons and shortcuts you use most and plan a simple left-to-right layout. This immediate setup lets you test changes quickly and avoid clutter before moving into visual customization and advanced tweaks. You'll now personalize the look. Pin your favorite apps and reorder icons so priorities sit within thumb reach. Then open settings to toggle color, transparency, and taskbar behaviors like combining buttons. These control both function and visual rhythm. Once arranged, add widgets or toolbars that provide utility without noise, and fine-tune icon spacing for a balanced feel. Make sure to test with several apps open to confirm grouping and clarity before finalizing. You finish by applying a cohesive theme and accent color, and adjusting icon scale so text and symbols remain legible across screens. Once done, lock the taskbar and test in different display scales or orientations to ensure consistency. If performance or visuals act up, restart Windows Explorer or sign out and back in. That often clears display glitches without losing your layout. If problems persist, revert to your backup settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.